In this video, we are decorating for the week of February 20th in my horizontal happy planner, the Nightmare Before Christmas one. I just wanted something simple. I wanted some boxes and I wanted some cute washi tape. So I grabbed this collection from Simply Gilded and a colorful boxes sticker book from the Happy Planner. This time I'm going to start off with some boxes and I'm going to use different sizes. I'm not going to use the matching boxes to the size of the box for each day. I want to use some different ones to make it just more fun. This planner I use for journaling, so I like to have some different boxes to write notes in, to journal in. So I'm just going to place them around the page in no particular place because they don't have to be in a particular spot. So since I did an ombre pink and purple there, I'll put one over here somewhere. I really like how those look, so I'm going to get more of them. So let's find all the ombre ones, like this one, and we'll place them around the pages. I'm gonna grab both of these header ones. They're so pretty. Okay, I really like this floral print, so I want to put that somewhere on the page. And then maybe one more. I'm going to use these two floral print ones together. All right, I want to do something different with the washi tape. I'm just going to do a little strip alongside some of the boxes. I just like the colors together. Let's see how this looks. I'm just going to trim it even with the box. And actually right below the box here. It's really pretty up close. Let's do the same thing on this page with this vertical box over here. Now let's do the same thing with a skinny washi with some of the smaller boxes. All right, let's look at these up close. I think they look really cool. I really like the washi tape just in different places and layering it on the boxes and around. Okay, now that we have the boxes done, I think I want to add some inspirational stickers, and I love this new Rongrong GOAL Girl planner sticker book. It has kind of this color palette of pink and purple and some other bright colors. So I'm gonna grab a couple of like inspirational stickers to throw in with the plain boxes. Let's add some of these star bullet points. I just like they match the words on our page down here. So let's put them around on the page too, just as kind of starting points for where I'll be journaling. Okay, I think we're all set. We used 2 washi tapes, 2 sticker books, and here's our final spread.